Hello, this is Lena for Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Holiday Tag die set that's part of the Holiday Happy Dance November 2021 release. This three-piece die set includes a hole punch tag, an ornament frame, and the Joy Word die. The Holiday Tag Helper stamp set is a perfect companion for creating your next gift packaging. The tag measures about 4.5 by 2 inches. The ornament is about 3.25 by 2.5, and the word joy is about 1 1/8 by 1.5. So I have separated the dies here, and I will cut them out of craft cardstock so you can see how they look cut out. By magic of YouTube, I already have them. Here's the little tag. So that's about 4.25 tall. So you can see here reference on A2 panel. We have the ornament outline. We have the circle that goes inside and the little hanger of the ornament, and we have the joy word die. The letters of the joy are being die cut separately. And then we have the little hanger that goes there, so you can cut them from different cardstock. Colors of cardstock. So we have here the Holiday Tag Helper stamp set, which is a perfect companion for this die set. You can see how those sentiments fit nicely on the tag as well as in the ornament frame. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at some samples from our creative team. Here we have the die used together with the stamp set. And we have a couple samples of the die set used on its own. Here you can see it's non-tag card made. Thank you so much for stopping by, and also don't forget to visit our blog and YouTube channel for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!